Are you a creative individual who's ready to tap into a lucrative and exciting career as a professional automotive designer? Does the idea of drawing future cars every day, building 3D models in virtual reality, and getting paid for it sound like the perfect career path for you? Are you a creative thinker, maker, engineer, or artist, and you struggle to find a place where your skill set is needed, admired, or in demand? Do you want to join the lucrative and highly competitive field of automotive design, but you have no idea how or where to get started? Then listen up. I'm Eric Stoddard, founder of CARDESIGN Academy. We help aspiring designers master the skills and technologies needed to advance their career in automotive design through live, online training, and personal mentoring. As an expert in the automotive design industry for over 25 years, I've led design teams responsible for creating and designing the cars you see on the road every day, from leading manufacturers like Ford and Hyundai and Chrysler. I've also taught students inside some of the leading automotive design colleges, which means I know the exact training, experience, and steps you need to take to land a successful career as an automotive designer in the future. As founder of CARDESIGN Academy, I'm bringing together the best design instructors in the world to make automotive design education and personal mentoring accessible to everyone. Automotive design is an excellent and well-paying career for creative individuals, but it's extremely competitive. That means you'll need to work alongside a mentor who will help you learn the skills needed to stand out in this competitive career path and master the core skills along with keeping up with the latest technologies and trends. We've successfully helped students receive fully paid scholarships to some of the top private fine arts colleges in the country. We helped a graduate land a six-figure automotive design position at Ford Motor Company, and we helped an experienced professional successfully transition careers to get a high-paying position as a digital sculptor at General Motors, just to name a few. If you're ready to learn the skills needed to create and design the cars of tomorrow, then click the link below to find out more. From basic car sketching to digital rendering to 3D modeling, we can help you start and succeed in your journey to becoming a professional automotive designer. Click the link below to find out more.